Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I'm here with your 5 off 25 deals for Dollar General this Saturday, March 1st. Up first, as usual, we have our cheat sheet. This cheat sheet is available to print out for free to help you on the fly when you're in the store, find a substitute for an item that is out of stock, and keep your price out of pocket as low as possible. We also have our Dollar General clearance sale coming up, and that begins Friday the 28th, which is tomorrow, through Sunday the 3rd. We did put out a video with some POG and clearance section finds and the items that had coupons with them. So if you missed that, that's what the thumbnail for that video looks like. And I will link to that in the description box below as well. So let's hop into our 5 off 25s. For $14.01, you can get 2 of the Power Mop refills, the Febreze Scent Booster, and that's the warmer thing there, and 2 of the Power Wash for $14.01. Then we have for $14.21, 2 Dawn Power Wash refills, 2 Swiffer Heavy Duty Wet Cloths, 2 Febreze Air, and the Crest toothpaste. That is $3. That will be $14.21, and these will earn you your 10 off 1001 P&G. Up next, $16.45, we have your Cascade, the Swiffer pads, 2 small spaces, and the Kids Crest. That is $2. Again, this one will earn you your 10 off 1001 P&G. It will activate that coupon for you. This is old system only. For $17.45, you can get your Gain flings and the Gain softener. Now, keep an eye out for a new coupon to come out for that Gain. That would be a manufacturer new manufacturer coupon as well. That would stack with that store coupon. We had different 105 off 1 Gain coupons, but those had expired. So for $14.15, you can get your Purex, your Persil, your Snuggle, your Finish, your Jet Dry, and some Angel Soft toilet paper, and that will be $14.15. You will get cash back on this one for the Persil, as long as you have that clipped. For $15.70, you can get your Febreze warmer, 2 of the Febreze Air, 2 Swiffer refills, and the Gain flings, and that would be $15.70. This would activate your 10 off 1001. These next 2 deals, one of them is $20. This is the Power Mop for the wood floors, and you will pay $20 for this one after your coupons, and if you have that P&G promo coupon clipped, you will earn back that 10 off 1001. And on this one, you will pay $15 for the sweeper mop. Again, if you have that P&G promo, you will earn that as well. This is $30, and then you have your coupons making it $15. Now we're going into a pet deal. For $10.70, you can get your Friskies snacks, one of the little gravies, and 2 Febreze small spaces. That will be $10.70. This next deal here is the Friskies cans, or the pouches, I believe that is, I'm sorry. Your Arm & Hammer Clump and Seal, and 2 Febreze small spaces for $12.15. Now we're going to move on. We're going to have a personal care deal. For $13.65, you get 4 of the Suave's shampoo, 2 whole blends, the Eucerin, and a C4. Make sure you're scanning and seeing that the coupons are attaching. This will be $13.65. Up next, for $12.65, you can get 4 of the Suave, 2 of the whole blends, and the Eucerin. This is old system. The other one was new system. For $13.15, you're going to get 4 of the Suave shampoo, the Old Spice body wash, the Gillette razors, and the Eucerin, and you will pay $13.15. For $11.50, you're going to get 2 Head & Shoulders, 2 Vaseline, the Soft Soap body wash, and the Arm & Hammer toothpaste, and that will be $11.50. For $13, you can get your Bic razors, the U by Kotex tampons, and the Dove Bond Strength shampoo and conditioner. That will be $13. You're going to buy 2 of the Axe body wash, the Schick razors, the St. Ives apricot scrub, and the Crest toothpaste, and that will be $10 for that deal. Next up, you can get 2 of the Always Discreet Boutique underwear and the Kids Crest that you see there and pay $18. And this will activate that P&G promo if you have that clipped. So you will earn back that 10 off 1001. For $19, you can get 2 of the Always Discreet pads. And these are on sale. They are on sale for 2 for $30. This will also activate that P&G where you earn back the 10 off 1001. You will pay $19. For $10, you can get the Head & Shoulders Clinical, 2 of the Colgate Total Mouthwash, and 2 of the $1 packs of the Scott Comfort Plus, and that will be $10 out of pocket. You can pay $8 and get 2 of the L'Oreal hair colors and 2 of the Colgate Slim toothbrushes. Now, Saturday, these Colgate Slim toothbrushes are going to be $1.50 each. They're on clearance for the additional 50% off, but we do have that coupon. That was old system. New system, remember, you have to adjust down with the overage on that. So the toothbrushes would be free. You would not get overage. We have a combination deal here. This, you're going to get your Palmolive, your Irish Springs, your Colgate, the Friskies Little Gravies, and some Snuggle softener for $13.70. Now on this one, you have a cash back for the all, so make sure you click that and you'll earn that $3 back. This also has instant savings, so keep that in mind. For $16.70, you can get 2 of the Chips Ahoy, 2 of the Totino's, pizza rolls, and 2 of the Danimals, and that will be $16.70. Our next deal here is $16.25. You're going to get 2 of the Quaker Chewy granola bars, a Slim Jim, 2 Reese's Puff cereals or whatever's on sale, 3 of the Pringles, and 2 of the Pillsbury Grands. Those are the 250 size, and that would be $16.25. We have a baby deal for $16.85. You're going to get your Huggies, your Destin, your Pampers wipes, and the Crest Kids, and that will be $16.85 before taxes. This next deal is also a baby deal. You're going to get your box of Pampers, your Crest toothpaste, and the Dawn dish detergent. That is $1.25 on that dish detergent. This will activate the P&G promo coupon, so if you have that clipped, you will get that 10 off 1001 back. Then we have 2 Easy Ups, the Pampers Sensitive Wipes, and the Crest Kids toothpaste. That would be $23.10. Again, this one also will activate that P&G promo coupon if you have that clipped, so you will get that back as well. We have another pet deal. This one's for dogs. $16.80. You get your 5-pound bag of Nature's Menu dog food, 3 of the Beneful trays, 3 of the Beneful Incredibite cans, and 2 Febreze Air for $16.80. And that brings us to the end of our 5 off 25 deals for this weekend at Dollar General. I will link to the printable cheat sheet. I will link to the coupon video that we have for clearance, or clearance with saying which items have coupons. As always, make sure you are scanning in store. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's a free way to help our channel. I appreciate you all. Make sure you are following us to get more deals and information as it becomes available. You can find us in all the places you see here, including rolloutsavings.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll be back soon with the next big deal. Bye, guys.